Okay, we're running. So I haven't made any videos for a while because I've been so busy. But this project, this really big bell, is finally done, and I wanted to do a quick video as to what it sounds like. It's a failed acetylene tank. So the traditional mallet that I would use for other bells, start with this guy. So just one strike, and it lasts and lasts. So let's cool that down. Then a larger gong mallet. This is a Vic Firth Sound Power GB3. Pretty much the same. Okay, so then you get the idea. When it moves, it has a really nice wow or a flutter to it. Then the third thing, I wouldn't have expected a flumi to make much of an impact on these, but once I get her resonating and give a little bit of sway, it gets even more powerful. I don't know if it comes across in an iPhone video, but I'm pretty pleased with this little guy, gal, whatever, and I'm going to make more. I don't know how easy it's going to be to bring it to a gong or a gong meditation or a sound bath, but the quality of the sound when they move is very, very nice. Thanks. More later.